Ever wondered what's going on inside that tiny gold square on your credit card? It's not just for show. It's a tiny computer that revolutionized how we pay for things. Let's dive into the secret world of the credit card chip. For decades, we relied on the good old magnetic strip. You'd swipe it, and the strip, which is basically like a tiny cassette tape, would give the terminal all your static, unencrypted card information. The problem was incredibly easy to copy. Scammers could use a simple device called a skimmer to steal your data and create a clone of your card. It was a huge security risk, and the industry needed a smarter solution. Enter the chip, officially known as an EMV chip. EMV stands for Europay, MasterCard, and Visa, the companies that developed the standard. Inside this little gold contact point is a powerful microprocessor and memory, essentially a mini computer. It's far more advanced than the magnetic strip. It can run applications and perform cryptographic calculations, which is the key to its security. Think of it as upgrading from a simple notepad to a super secure encrypted smartphone. So how does it work when you make a purchase? When you insert your card into a terminal, the chip and the terminal start a conversation. This isn't just a simple data transfer. The chip creates a unique, one-time use code for that specific transaction. This code is a dynamic piece of data that includes information about the purchase amount, the time, and the terminal itself. It's like a secret handshake that's different every single time. Even if a hacker managed to intercept this data, it would be completely useless for any other purchase because that one-time code has already been used and has expired. This is precisely why chip cards are so much more secure. The old magnetic strip was like handing over your house key to be copied. The chip, on the other hand, is like having a digital doorman who creates a new, temporary key for every single person who enters. And that key only works once. Cloning a chip card is practically impossible with current technology because you can't replicate the dynamic code-generating process. Then came the next evolution: Tap to Pay, or contactless payments. This uses the same secure chip technology, but adds near-field communication, or NFC. Your card has a tiny antenna embedded in it. When you bring your card close to a compatible reader, the reader sends out a radio frequency signal that powers up the chip and the antenna. They then have that same secure conversation, creating a one-time transaction code, all within a couple of seconds and a few centimeters. It's the same robust security, just faster and more convenient. Behind the scenes, your bank and the card network like Visa or MasterCard play a crucial role. Once the terminal gets that unique code from your chip, it sends it through the network to your bank. Your bank then verifies the code, checks if you have enough funds, and sends an approval or decline message back to the terminal. This entire back and forth happens in just a couple of seconds. It's a high-speed encrypted dance of data ensuring your transaction is legitimate. You might have also heard of chip hand PIN versus chip hand signature. In many parts of the world, you have to enter a personal identification number or a PIN to authorize a chip transaction. This adds another layer of security: something you have, the card, and something you know, the PIN, in the US. The transition was mostly to chip-on signature, where you sign for the purchase. While a signature is less secure than a PIN, the core security of the dynamic chip code is still there, making the transaction itself incredibly safe from fraud. So what's next? The technology continues to evolve. We're seeing biometric cards that use your fingerprint instead of a PIN or signature. And of course, mobile payments on our phones use the same secure NFC and tokenization principles. The physical card might even disappear one day, but the secure chip technology that powers it will live on in our digital wallets. So the next time you dip or tap your card, you can appreciate the incredible technology packed into that tiny chip. It's a miniature fortress, working tirelessly to keep your money safe, one transaction at a time. It truly is a tiny piece of tech with a huge impact on our daily lives. Thanks for watching, and if you found this interesting, be sure to like and subscribe for more.